Yo, what's up guys, I'm Yannick from the Produce School, and in this video I'm going to create a tech house drop in 15 minutes. I already did this 15-minute drop challenge for bass house, but today I'll create a tech house drop. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the challenge. For this video, I will be using sounds from our tech house pack Elevate, which has a lot of cool tech house stuff in there, like samples, presets, vocals, MIDI files, project files, and more. And if you want to check out those sounds yourself, then make sure to go to theproduceschool.com or use the link in the description. I set the timer on my phone to 50 minutes, and once I hit start, the 50 minutes go in. Alright, the challenge has started. Let's set the tempo to 126 BPM. And let's try to find a vocal that could fit.
Don't stop the music.
I can feel the
Jack, let me
beats.
take a step back. Take your time. I'm the operator. X, T. I'm the operator.
This one is pretty cool.
I'm the operator. I'm the operator.
And let's try to make a bass line that would fit this vocal. I think the vocal is a little bit in the the key is too low. So maybe we have to pitch it up. Let's search for a nice bass preset. This one is sounding pretty good. Let's pitch it up right now because I already know we're in a key too low.
I'm the operator.
But now it sounds like my voice again, so let's put it in a mixer channel and add format shifting to it so it sounds lower again. I'm going to do that with Little Alto Boy, really cool plugin.
I'm the operator. I'm the operator. I'm the operator. I'm the operator. I'm the operator.
That sounds great.
I'm the operator.
And let's try and write a bass line with this preset. Let's go like this.
I'm the operator.
That sounds good already.
I'm the operator.
Yeah, those are the notes I probably need. So like E, F sharp, G, and A.
I'm the operator. I'm the operator.
Maybe just loop this, could work. Make it a little longer.
I'm the operator. 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 I'm the operator.
That sounds great. Let's see how it fits with the vocal.
I'm the operator. 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 I'm the operator.
And let's go for a variation in the fourth bar. Like this one. Let's play it once again.
I'm the operator. I'm the operator. I'm the operator. I'm the operator.
We have 10 minutes left, so let's see what we can come up with. This kick sounds nice. Let's lower down the volume of this a little bit. And let's start mixing the bass. I'm gonna put some kickstart on it for sidechain. Like that. Maybe a camel crusher to add some more harmonic to the sound. Like that. And let's see how it sounds with the kick. Alright, maybe let's start with a top loop for some inspiration for the drums. That sounds great. I won't be using this whole loop because that would be a little bit too easy. Let's see. I have to cut it like here. I like the hi-hat, so let's see if we can cut it out. Like here. Let's cut it like there and put it back on here. And let's add a clap, of course. I'll be using one of the claps. This one is pretty great. Way too loud. And let's layer it. Maybe this one is better, actually. Let's pitch it down a little bit. And layer it with this one. I'm just trying to find the right volumes for like all the elements, so gain staging. But since I do not have much time, I should move on maybe. Okay, that sounds pretty great. Let's go for a percussion loop maybe. Normally I would make these myself, but since I don't have really much time, I will just use a loop in the Elevate pack. This one is nice. It's like a shaker with some tambourine or something. Let's put some sidechain on this as well to get this like bouncing effect. I want to do something with the length variation. Maybe like shorten it up all. No, that's too short. Let's just leave it like that. Let's maybe add another percussion loop. It has to like match the tempo. Just a really low volume, so it adds something, but it's not really present in the mix. Let's go for some effects like. That sounds pretty great, actually. I'm not sure if it fits the tempo, but maybe you can like stretch it. I know it's a little offbeat, but let's see. Like that, that works. Maybe some white noise. forgot to turn off stretch mode. So
I'm the operator. 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 I'm the operator.
I want to add like an open hi-hat at the end of the bar. So let's search for one. Open head. This one.
I'm the operator.
And let's pan it a little bit to the left so we have some more like stereo information.
I'm the operator. I'm the operator.
And let's add some other FX samples as well. Let's see, I have still 4 minutes left. That's not a lot. Maybe this one.
I'm the operator. 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 I'm the operator.
Maybe over here.
I'm the operator. I'm the operator.
This bubble effect. I'm just throwing a lot of different effects. Normally I would spend more time on them and like make them myself. But right now, since I don't have a lot of time, I'm just using those samples.
I'm the
A downlifter could work as well over here.
I'm the operator. I'm the operator. I'm the operator.
Just looking for the right sample. I think it's a preset. There's like a really cool FX shot in one of the presets of the pack. So let's try and look for it. I don't have a lot of time left. Well, let's see, double zip maybe? No. This one, exactly. Kind of like this Fisher effect shot. What can we add as well? Maybe like a synth. I'm not sure if I can make something in this short amount of time. But let's see if I can find anything, like a lead or something. Maybe in... Yeah, this is really generic, but let's put it in there. Let's add it to the mixer. Add some sidechaining and EQ. The vocal needs to be mixed as well, but it's like 1 minute left, so let's see if we can do something. Let's add some like really short delay. Over here.
I'm the operator.
Oh fuck, I removed a little alto boy.
I'm the operator.
Oh, it's already, oh wait. I have to put it back into the mixture channel. This is taking a lot of time. Like the precious time I need.
I'm the operator. 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 I'm the operator.
EQ to remove some frequencies. Let's see. I have like 20 seconds left. Something that, yeah. Fuck. Maybe like percussion or a rim shot. That could work. And that's the timer actually. I have to stop right here. Let's stop the timer as well. And let's see what I made in 15 minutes. It was pretty hard. I think maybe even harder than the last challenge I did, which was for bass house. But yeah, I tried my best. I know I used a lot of samples and normally I would make those loops myself. But since I didn't have time, as I already said, I just had to use those loops. For the rest, if there was more work on this ID, I think it could be a pretty cool track actually. I might finish it, I might not, not sure yet. But yeah, let's see what I made in 15 minutes. Yeah, the rim shot that I ended like in the final seconds is a little bit too loud, so I would fix that. But overall, pretty cool idea actually. If there are certain things from this challenge you have questions about, like arrangement, sound selection and more, please let me know in the comments and I will try to answer there. Because maybe I went a little bit too fast because I didn't have a lot of time. So I couldn't explain everything very well, why I did certain things and that. But yeah, let me know in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Make sure to follow us on Instagram because we post a lot of really cool content over there, like tips and tricks and other producer related stuff. And for now, I want to thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you in another video.